Dear students, in my last two videos, I have given you the line by line explanation of the poem The Solitary Reaper by William Wordsworth. In this video, I would like to discuss the literary terms in the poem The Solitary Reaper. Okay. The first literary terms we can see in the poem is assonance. Okay, what is assonance? Repetition of vowel sound. Okay, here the O sound is repeated. Behold, yawn, solitary, stop, oh, for, overflowing. Okay, in these words the repetition of the O sound can be seen. Okay, so here the literary term assonance is used. Okay, the second literary device is consonance. What is consonance? Consonance means repetition of consonant sound, repetitive use of a consonant sound. Here L sound is prominent in the L sound is prominent. L sound is repeated here, just like behold, yawn, solitary, alone, melancholy, well, or flowing. Okay, now come to the third literary device, that is apostrophe. What is apostrophe? When the poet involves the reader in his poem, it is called apostrophe. When the poet involves the reader in his poem, it is called apostrophe. Here the poet says, behold her. To whom he is saying? He is saying to the reader. So he has involved the reader in his poem. So here apostrophe is used in this line. The next literary device is alliteration. Okay, what is alliteration? Alliteration is repetition of consonant sound in the beginning of the word. Okay, just look at the line. Okay, weary, welcome, weary. In this line W is repeated. Okay, welcome, weary, and so here alliteration is used here. Okay, now next is enjambment. What is enjambment? Okay, enjambment means alliteration. We can find out some more examples in Among Arabian. Okay, so there are many words in which alliteration is used. Okay, now next enjambment. What is enjambment? Actually enjambment means when a thought in a verse does not come to an end, means when a meaning of the line, okay, but when the meaning of the poet or the meaning of the poem is not completed in a single line and it goes to the next line. Okay, and instead it continues to the next line, is called enjambment. Just like this we can see in these lines, breaking the silence of the seas among the farthest Hebrides. Here breaking the silence of the seas. Okay, so the meaning of the sense or the meaning of this line is not completed in this line, it goes to the next line. Breaking the silence of the sea, where is where the silence is being broken in the among the farthest Hebrides. So the meaning of the line is complete in the next line. It is continues to it comes to the next line and then it completes. Then the meaning of the sense of the line completes in the next line, it goes to the next line. So we can say that it is called enjambment. Okay, we have discussed some literary devices such as assonance, consonance, apostrophe, alliteration, and